Well, we see the tether dominance here hitting 5%, which has been extremely bullish for altcoins, man. Some of our favorite altcoins up tremendous on the month here. And I told you guys, I told y'all family that, January was creeping up on everybody, and we seen a a little bit of an explosion from some of these altcoins. Now we're gonna be talking about altcoins in this video, Tectonic, some of our favorites, but also family, the macro environment and what to expect leading up to February 1st in the FOMC meeting. And let me know in the comments, family, what do you think? When do you think that the Fed will pause or cut? Do you think it's going to be June, July? Do you think that they pretty much are going to keep their foot on the gas the whole year? Let me know in the comments. Now, we do have a FOMC meeting on February 1st, and a lot of people think that Jay Powell may talk the market down. We got some people thinking that, hey, it's going to be pretty bullish if they do a 0.25. So a lot of things to look forward to leading into this week, man. Y'all know I usually don't do any type of trading on the weekends because most of the weekends are very can have a lot of manipulation. You feel me? They try to trap some of the newbies. I like to see how the market reacts on Monday when it opens traditionally. So you can see here, not only do we have the FOMC meeting February 1st, but we do also have a CPI reading February 14th of January. So we've been seeing for the last month or so, family, that the DXY here has been declining. It's been declining for its fourth straight month. So has inflation peaked? Ukraine and zero COVID policies in China has pretty much slowed down. But we do have debt at an all-time high, savings at an all-time low, unemployment rising, the economy from GDP data showing that the economy is slowing down, and yet we have crypto here still ripping. So a lot of mixed signals inside the market. You feel me? Crypto is ripping. We're seeing the stock market close green going into the weekend, but we did get some pretty bad news for the economy, which is bullish news for the markets. Yet people's debt is at an all-time high and people's savings at an all-time low. Y'all let me know what y'all feel about the current macro environment, but it is positive and bullish that the DXY has been declining for 4 straight months. All right, family. So could we be on the cusp of a bull run? A lot of people don't think 2023 can really pull out a bull run, but we are getting bullish signals throughout the macro environment in the midst of a so-called recession. I just think that's pretty interesting. Just looking here at this chart, you can see that the credit card debt is rising, literally leaving the station, and then you got here the savings rate of people's savings account literally capitulating. So are you using a lot of credit card debt? Let me know in the comments. I love to hear, what you guys personally goes through, because it gives me a sentiment, of what to expect. Because I did notice from a poll that I did a few weeks back that most of y'all didn't invest into the last bull run. Everybody said this is their first I guess their first rodeo in crypto. So we got a lot of newbies that's in the channel, and I just found that interesting. I'm like, dang, a lot of what happened? A lot of people missed the bull run. Actually, let me go pull it up here. Let's see if I can pull up the community here and see if I can actually find it. I found that very interesting right here. So I asked the community, I said, what did you make your last gains off the last bull run? And 17% of people said blue chip, 41% of the people said macro and small caps, and then 43% said I didn't participate in the last bull run. So that was very interesting. I did find that very interesting. Sorry to get off point here, but I had to point that out. So yeah, debt at an all-time high, savings at an all-time low, and people really starting to think like, man, maybe 2023 could be bullish. So we'll just have to see how everything turns out. We are seeing altcoins pretty much be still standing in an uptrend here. Tectonic Still doing really well. It's not up much on the day. For the people that was worried about the market cap, it does seem like coin market cap has updated it to 26 million. Another thing you could do if you want to know the liquidity or the market cap, you can also, family, check it out on DEX Tools. Very easy to check out the market cap and liquidity also on DEX Tools. I like to check out Coin Market Cap, 𝐴𝐤𝐤𝐞, and also DEX Tools just to compare it and make sure everything is on the up and up. Because I know a lot of people was checking the crypto.com app and they don't have the market cap listed. But I don't think it's nothing to worry about, family. I think everybody shouldn't be concerned. You feel me? Crow is going to be around, and Tectonic seems to get stronger and stronger as far as the community. We got some people like Tonic here calling for a 203 Tonic, man. That would be crazy because a lot of people got in at 70. I mean, that would be insane, family. So we're still seeing a health in the market as far as altcoins. This did catch my attention here. So yesterday, family, the fear and greed level hit greed for the first time in, it had to have been like a year or some change. You know what I'm saying? Like greed. So you want to be very, very cautious when it hits greed, because a lot of people use this as a metric to take profits. All right. So got to remember to take profits. I know everybody wants to hold, and this goes for all your projects. I know everybody wants to hold. It's okay with taking profits along the way, even if you plan on just putting it back into the market and investing into or doubling down on some more projects. So you don't got to necessarily take profits and be like, okay, I'm going on vacation. You can reinvest your profits as well. I just wanted to point out, family, that the fear and greed index did hit greed yesterday. So, you know what I mean? I expect pullbacks and a little bit of profit taken when it hits green. People literally use this metric to take profit. So I just want to keep that in mind. And also here, as you can see here, the Tectonic TVL still very strong, 124 million, and the market cap of Tectonic is 26 million. So you can see the TVL here is real strong. If we add the borrows metric, it goes up to 250 million. So, a lot of people using the services. This is what we want to see. We want to see people using the service. We want to see people staking, putting their Tectonic in vaults. We want to see the community very, very active. I seen the Tectonic official page. They like one of my posts. So, you know what I'm saying? Very, very, very positive to see the activity within the Tectonic project and just seeing that growth and that floor and foundation being built. We love to see that because it shows that this is going to be a healthy project. But most importantly, this project is going to go crazy. If we're in an official bull market, a lot of these projects are going to go crazy. But I feel like, with Tectonic here, market cap being so low, it's just a massive potential, family. Massive potential. So I'm looking at layer ones because if you notice here, a lot of the layer ones sold Aptos, a lot of layer ones and layer twos did go off. So you want to pay attention to the narratives. That doesn't mean meme coins might not finally go off. They all have their turn. You get what I'm saying? So meme coins really didn't have a run yet, but we're seeing layer ones pretty much go off. We're seeing layer twos go off and a lot of high utility tokens go off. So I expect meme coins and a lot of the other narratives like artificial intelligence to heat back up. I know artificial intelligence kind of like consolidated. I wouldn't say it took a dump, kind of like consolidated, and then people took profits because it literally was running for the last couple months. So now we're seeing the layer ones and things take off as well. And this is why you got to pay attention to the narratives and subscribe to the channel because Millie, we're always talking about narratives over here. So that's pretty much a macro update for you guys. Not a lot going on with the memes. Hedera had his little run. Now it's getting this little consolidation and pullback. So we'll just have to see how next week turns out. We got positive earnings from Tesla, which was great for crypto, great for just the whole market, man. Seeing that Tesla literally killed it for Q4 of 2022. And Elon still holds his Bitcoin, didn't buy any new Bitcoin, but also family didn't sell any Bitcoin. So that's, I'm saying, that's positive. Diamond hands in it out, but believing in Bitcoin as a store of value and just still believing in crypto, because he has the whole 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞 thing going on. He asked McDonald's to accept 𝐸𝐸𝐞 again. You feel me? So he definitely is in crypto 2 feet in, and we love to see that from Elon must. So y'all let me know what y'all think is going to happen on February 1st. Is the market going to pump? Is the market going to dump? Are we in a bull run, or are we waiting until 2025? I know a lot of y'all say, really, 2025 is the bull run. After the halving cycle, 2025. Everybody saying 2025. You know what I'm saying? But it's like when everybody's saying that, crypto always does the opposite. It just does. It just does. And we got a lot of bullish metrics. Even though, I will say this, the liquidity just ain't there. If debt at an all-time high and savings at an all-time low, where the money coming from? That's the argument. That's the bear. I'm gonna leave y'all with the bear argument. Where the money coming from? This could be manipulation. Where the money come from? That's the bear argument. It's your boy SoapGods TV. Millie, I'm out.